This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by closing Happymod completely from your recent apps list now. Open Settings and go to Apps, then select Happymod from the list. Tap Storage and press Clear Cache and Clear Data to remove corrupt files. Restart your phone after clearing to ensure changes take effect. Make sure device date and time are accurate and set to automatic. Incorrect time can break app server authentication and cause the error. After restart, reopen Happymod and check if the Try It Later message disappeared. Uninstall Happymod, then download the latest APK from a trusted source or installer you already trust. Before reinstalling, enable unknown sources in Android settings or allow the installer permission in newer Android versions. During install, grant storage permission so the app can read downloaded files. If you see an installer warning, accept and continue only if you trust the source. After install, open Happymod and accept any in-app permissions requests. Disable battery optimization for Happymod in settings to prevent background kills. Test the Try It Later behavior after granting permissions and disabling optimization. Happymod requires a stable network connection and correct device identifiers to contact its servers. Test on both Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate network-related issues. If one network blocks connections, try a reliable VPN set to a nearby country. Clear any system proxy or custom DNS settings that might intercept traffic. Update Android System WebView and Google Play services or equivalents to ensure compatibility. Avoid rooted detection by temporary toggles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.